Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Let's start from outside. You can see the pedestrians footpath, how beautiful they are. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation company credit. They are doing a great job. You can also see the curtain walls, how beautiful they are. The installation of this shield flag is almost complete. As you can see for yourself what I'm talking about. You can see how beautiful the shield flags are and the entire curtain walls. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation company credit. The inspiration of these shield flags comes from Masai land, and you can see how beautiful they are. This is going to give Talanta Stadium a unique identity. I want to take you inside. You see the painting progress, seat installation progress, canopy and roof installation. This is the full construction progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Alright, let's get in and see the painting progress first. And this is what I'm talking about. White, pure white. You can see for yourself what has been done by China Roads and Bridge Corporation company under the supervision of KDF. You can see for yourself the massive progress on the painting of this stadium that is going to host AFCON 2027. You can clearly see for yourself how beautiful the stadium is. You can clearly see for yourself what I'm talking about. This stadium is being constructed on Jamhuri grounds along Kong Road near Dagoretti Corner, 10 kilometers west of Nairobi CBD, Central Business District. And you can see the painting progress as of January 2026. You can see for yourself what I'm talking about. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation company credit. This project began back in that 1st March 2024 and is expected to be complete by early 2026. You can clearly see for yourself the massive progress. What about the playing pitch construction progress? Alright, this is what they have done so far. You can see for yourself what is going on here on the playing pitch. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation company and all stakeholders who have been involved in the construction of this mega stadium. Workers, engineers, contractors. You can see the massive progress. In the painting progress, there's a bit of red somewhere. The other color is pure white. You can see here what I'm talking about. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation company credit. The total construction cost of this stadium is $344.5 million US, which is equivalent to 44.7 billion Kenya shillings. Indeed, Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya is a mega project which has consumed billions of Kenya shillings, and you can see the progress as of January 2026. You can clearly see the amount of money where has been used. You can clearly see for yourself how beautiful the stadium is with a city capacity of 60,000 spectators. You can clearly see for yourself what I'm talking about. That kind of capacity is a very large compared to what we have in Kasarani and Nyayo Stadium and other stadiums in Kenya right now. You can clearly see what is going down on the play pitch, the seat installation right there at the corner, what is going on. The field dimensions of this stadium is 105 meter by 68 meter, which is a standard international football size. You can see from afar what is going on down there. Let's give China Roads and Bridge Corporation company credit. Talanta Stadium, Arusha Stadium and Oima City Stadium are going to host AFCON 2027, Africa Cup of Nations 2027, and have been constructed by 3 countries, Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. Oima City Stadium in Uganda is already complete. Arusha Stadium in Tanzania and Talanta Stadium in Kenya are not yet complete. and are being constructed by Chinese company. In Talanta Stadium is being constructed by China Roads and Bridge Corporation company. Arusha Stadium is being constructed by China Railway Construction Engineering Group, and you can see Talanta Stadium, what has been done. The canopy installation progress, what has been done so far. You can see for yourself. This is what China Roads and Bridge Corporation has done as of January 2026. Let's give them credit. Like the video and subscribe. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Let's keep enjoying the full construction progress of Talanta Stadium as of January 2026. What are your thoughts concerning Talanta Stadium latest full construction progress as of January 2026? What are your thoughts concerning the full construction progress of Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya? Give your opinions on the comment section.